Like, that's a whole nother video because that's a whole nother story. Hey guys, it's Summer, and today is going to be my very first storytime video. With today, I've chosen to tell you guys about the story of my hair and what my hair has gone through. A lot of girls my age can probably say that they've done some pretty crazy things to their hair that they regret, whether it was color or like chopping a bunch of their hair off or whatever it is. So if you have any times where you've done something crazy to your hair, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to read what you guys have to say, and it's just funny to see, like, how many girls went through the same things that I have gone through and stuff like that. So, basically, when I was in 8th grade, I was in a class in my middle school, and there was an opportunity for the girls in the class, because there was no guys with, like, long enough hair to donate their hair for, Pantene, and you needed 8 inches of it. And in middle school, my hair is always pretty long. The longest it ever was in 6th grade, it was, like, down at the bottom of my back, but I had gotten it cut a little bit shorter in 7th grade, and then in 8th grade it was kind of in between the middle of my back. It wasn't as long as it was when I was in 6th grade. But anyway, it was long enough to donate, and Pantene, if you're familiar with their donation, like, system and what they asked for, they, only need 8 inches of hair. So I was like, alright, I'm gonna go in, I'm probably gonna donate only 8 inches, and we found out about this whole thing earlier in the year, and the donation thing wasn't gonna be going on till, like, the end of the year. So I was like, okay, I got some time to grow my hair out a little bit longer, so it won't be so dramatic when I get it cut off. Little did I know that I wanted to be super spontaneous and cut off more hair than I needed. So that's what I ended up doing. And now that I look back, I'm thinking, like, I decided that I wanted to donate my hair the day I found out about it. So I didn't even, like, find out about it, think it was cool, and, like, consider it. I literally was in class, found out about this Pantene 8 inches of hair thing, and instantly said to myself, oh, I'm going to do that. So I really didn't think about it and put a lot of thought process into it, and even after I said I wanted to do it, I still didn't totally think about it. I still wanted to do it, and I didn't really think against it. So I ended up waiting till it was the day to do it, and it was towards the end of the year, and I ended up cutting off 10 inches of my hair. The lady that did it, she did a good job. Like, the way she did it made sense. And I'm in cosmetology, so cutting hair is kind of like, I'm familiar with it. But donating hair, you know, a lot of length is taken off. So she put my hair in 2 ponytails, and she cut the ponytails off. And she measured the length of the ponytail before she cut it, so it wouldn't be too much. But then, since it was in ponytails, it was kind of, like, uneven, because she chopped, like, thick parts of it. When it's in 2 ponytails, there were 2 thick ponytails, so she had to cut them, and so it was kind of choppy, and you can't leave it like that. So then you have to cut off more hair to even it out and make it look like something it's supposed to be, making it all one length. And then she kind of thinned it out a little bit with some thinning shears to take away from the bulk of my hair, because my hair is so thick. And then I cut it to, like, right here, so it was like I went from having my hair was long with some long layers, so it was easy to manage, and then I had hair up to here, and it was super short and super bulky at the ends or whatever. And I had bangs. I had, like, little wispy straight across, little side bangs, straight across bangs. Like, I would part them to the side the one day, and some days I would part my hair a certain way so they would be, like, straight across or whatever. I always had something going on with my bangs throughout middle school and high school, and so that's a whole nother story I'm gonna talk about, because that's gonna be really funny, and I want to make a story time video about the time where I had these crazy thick bangs, and they took up the majority of my face, and they just didn't frame my face well, and it was just a really big mess. So I want to make a video on that and include pictures, because I think it'd be really funny. And that was kind of like my craziest stage where I spontaneously wanted to cut off parts of my hair in weird ways. And, like, that's a whole nother video because that's a whole nother story. So anyway, I ended up donating my hair, and it was, like, really crazy short. And I remember getting in, like, the shower, shampooing my hair. I would get my shampoo, and I'd put, like, a big glob, like how I would normally use for my long, thick hair. And then I had this little short bob, and my hair was still thick and all, but I didn't need as much shampoo, and it just felt so weird. After a while from donating it, like, I knew I did a really good thing. Like, donating your hair is a really good thing to do. Really good. It's a really fun experience because it is a very traumatic change in your hair. But then you're thinking about, hey, like I'm actually helping out somebody because they're going through something way worse than I am by cutting my hair off. Like cutting your hair off is the least of the problems to somebody who is unfortunately like going through like chemo and like maybe needing a wig or something. So you're thinking about how you're helping them and how you feel like a good person because, you know, they're going through some crazy stuff that's not happy. And so if they can have some pretty healthy hair, then you think about that, and that's like amazing that you get to give them that opportunity. That's what I did. I donated my hair, and it was like really fun because I like went back to school and everybody was used to me having like long hair, and like I had this short hair. And then after a while, honestly, I got pretty tired of it because I liked my long hair because I could style it more and do more fun things with it. So it did get a little bit boring, but now it's like long and it's back. It's not as long as I want it to be, but now it's like long and back to the point where I'm like able to style it, and it is kind of annoying sometimes because my hair isn't naturally straight. So I do like to get out of the shower and blow dry it so it's easier to manage or whatever. But yeah, so that's my quick story time video on the time where I donated my hair. If you are stumbling upon this video because you are just wanting to hear feedback about people who have donated their hair because you are thinking of doing so, it is totally 100% up to you, your lifestyle, and how you're going to act after. If you think you're so attached to your hair and you're going to be totally traumatized if you cut it off, then maybe you should wait a little while, or like I did, I waited so it was a little bit longer and it wasn't as much, but it still ended up being more than I like thought it would be. But anyway, it was cool, and it was in middle school, so like it's not like I did it like my senior year or whatever. So think about how you're going to do it, when you're going to do it, whatever. Put a lot of thought into it. Maybe not be so spontaneous like I was with it. But anyway, have fun. And most of all, think about how it's a great opportunity to benefit somebody who is having like troubles because they're sad and like they don't have like a lot of hair now. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Please follow me on Twitter. I will be linking that below. Twitter is a place where you could ask me questions, and eventually when I get more people that follow me and subscribe, I want to do like question time videos and stuff like that, so I'll be doing that when I can, so eventually. So yeah, follow me on Twitter and subscribe to me, and like this video, give it a thumbs up if you have donated your hair or if you consider doing so or whatever. And yeah, bye guys!